Click on the link below to get price. Introducing the Canon EOS R50 V mirrorless camera, paired with the RF-S14-30mm F4-6.3 IS STM PZ lens. This combination presents an intriguing option for both emerging enthusiasts and seasoned photographers looking for a versatile and compact solution. The EOS R50 V stands out in Canon's esteemed lineup, designed with a focus on user-friendly operation and advanced imaging capabilities. Featuring a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, this camera aims to deliver high-quality images with impressive detail and color accuracy. The mirrorless design contributes to a lightweight and compact body, making it suitable for various shooting scenarios, whether you're traveling, attending events, or simply capturing everyday life. One of the key features of the EOS R50 V is its dual-pixel CMOS autofocus system, which offers rapid and precise focusing. This feature is particularly beneficial when photographing fast-moving subjects or when shooting in dynamic environments. The camera also supports 4K video recording at up to 30 frames per second, providing versatility for those interested in videography as well. The included RF-S14-30mm lens adds to the camera's adaptability, offering a wide-angle perspective that is ideal for landscapes, architecture, and group photos. With a variable aperture range of f/4 to f/6.3, users can enjoy a balance between depth of field and overall image brightness, making it easier to capture stunning imagery in different lighting conditions. In terms of usability, the Canon EOS R50 V features a vari-angle touchscreen, allowing for easy framing from various angles, which can be particularly helpful for vlogging or self-portraits. The camera's intuitive interface provides quick access to settings, enhancing the overall shooting experience without overwhelming users with complexity. For those who appreciate connectivity, the EOS R50 V offers Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, enabling seamless sharing of images and videos with smart devices. This feature can be particularly advantageous for those looking to share their work on social media platforms or manage their photography on the go. In summary, the Canon EOS R50 V mirrorless camera with the RF-S14-30mm F4-6.3 IS STM PZ lens presents an appealing option for diverse photographic needs. Its combination of advanced features, compact design, and user-friendly interface may cater to a wide range of users, from casual shooters to more serious hobbyists. As always, potential buyers should consider their specific photography preferences and requirements when evaluating this camera system.